Imagine getting the same results from just 5 minutes of exercise that others spend sweating for an hour in the gym. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a science-backed way to make it happen? Today I'm going to show you a 5-minute workout routine so powerful, so efficient, and so easy to follow that you'll never look at fitness the same way again. If you've ever struggled with finding time to hit the gym, or felt discouraged because you can't commit to long workouts, this video is your game changer. Stick around because by the end, you'll discover how to maximize fat burn, build strength, and boost energy all in just 5 minutes a day. We all know the number one excuse for not exercising, I don't. Between work, family, and life responsibilities. Setting aside an hour for the gym feels impossible. But here's the truth, it's not about the time you spend, it's about how smartly you use that time. Recent studies in fitness science show that short, high-intensity bursts of exercise can burn more calories, improve cardiovascular health, and build muscle faster than traditional workouts. This is the foundation of the 5-minute workout I'm about to share with you. So let's break down what makes this workout so powerful. The magic lies in the principle of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Instead of long, drawn-out sets and endless treadmill runs, you'll perform quick, explosive movements that push your body to the max for short periods. When done correctly, this workout raises your heart rate, ignites your metabolism, and keeps burning fat even after you've stopped exercising. That's the afterburn effect, a secret weapon that keeps working for you hours after your workout. Now, let's dive into the actual workout. This is a 5-minute routine, and you don't need any fancy equipment, just your body, a little space, and determination. Each move is performed for 40 seconds at maximum effort, followed by 20 seconds of rest. 5 moves, 5 minutes, and you're done. The first move is jump squats. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower yourself into a squat, then explode upward into a jump, landing softly and going straight back into the squat. This move engages your quads, glutes, and calves while skyrocketing your heart rate. 40 seconds may not sound like much, but by the time you hit the halfway mark, your legs will be on fire, and that's a good sign. Take 20 seconds to recover. Then get ready for the next move. Move 2 is push-up to shoulder tap. Get into a push-up position. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, push back up, then tap your right hand to your left shoulder, followed by your left hand to your right shoulder. This move works your chest, arms, and core all at once. The push-up builds upper body strength, while the shoulder tap challenges your stability and engages deep core muscles. It's a double benefit packed into one simple exercise. Next up, we have mountain climbers. From a push-up position, drive your knees toward your chest one at a time as if you're running in place. Keep your core tight, your back straight, and move as quickly as you can. Mountain climbers are amazing for burning calories and building endurance. You'll feel your abs working overtime, but that's exactly why this exercise is a fat-burning powerhouse. Move 4 is burpees. Yes, they're tough, but that's why they deliver such incredible results. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your legs back into a push-up position, jump your legs back in, and explode into a jump. Burpees are full-body killers. They build explosive strength, improve stamina, and torch calories like nothing else. Remember, it's only 40 seconds. Push yourself and feel the burn. The final move is plank jacks. Get into a plank position on your elbows, then jump your feet apart and back together, just like a jumping jack. This movement fires up your core, shoulders, and legs all at once while keeping your heart rate high. It's the perfect finisher to end the workout strong. And that's it, 5 moves, 5 minutes. You've just worked your entire body, built strength, increased endurance, and kick-started fat loss in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. If you do this workout consistently, at least 4 to 5 times a week, you'll notice visible changes in your energy, strength, and physique within just a few weeks. Now you might be asking, how can just 5 minutes replace a full hour in the gym? Let me explain. When you go to the gym for an hour, a large part of that time is wasted resting between sets, walking between machines, or waiting for equipment. On the other hand, this 5-minute workout is non-stop, high-intensity, and laser-focused. Every second counts. That's why it's so effective. It's not about time spent, it's about intensity and efficiency. But here's the best part. This workout is scalable. If you're a beginner, you can modify each move to your level, for example, doing regular squats instead of jump squats or inclined push-ups instead of full push-ups. If you're more advanced, you can increase intensity by moving faster or adding weights. The beauty of this routine is that it fits everyone, no matter your fitness level. Think of it like this. You can either spend an hour going through the motions at the gym, or you can give your all for 5 minutes and get equal, if not better, results. And let's be real, 5 minutes is something everyone has. Whether you're at home, traveling, or squeezed between meetings, this workout is always available to you. Beyond the physical benefits, this kind of workout is a massive mental booster. When you push yourself for just 5 minutes, you prove to yourself that you're stronger than excuses. It builds confidence, discipline, and momentum qualities that spill over into every area of your life. You'll not only look better, but you'll feel unstoppable. So, the next time you think you don't have time to work out, remember this: 5 minutes is all it takes. No more excuses, no more wasted time. Just 5 minutes of pure, focused effort that can replace an hour in the gym. If you found this 5-minute workout helpful and motivating, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments how you felt after trying it. Did it challenge you? Do you want me to create more quick but powerful routines like this? And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss another workout video that can change your life. Remember, 5 minutes a day is all it takes to transform your body and mindset. Start today and thank yourself tomorrow.